My first internship as a designer was with Kiska, but that was immediately after Coventry, and I was in the product design department rather than the transportation design department. And in Kiska, I've been working on mainly consumer electronics, some toys, stoves, all sorts of different products really. I mean, for me, that was the first time being exposed to the pace and the design process in a professional design studio. It's an extremely quick and steep learning curve, having to pick up, being able to work alongside the other designers, adjusting to their pace. And the product design industry in particular, I think, is much faster than car design. Project cycles are much shorter. The design process is much more, it's a lot shorter and much more compact. So that was quite interesting. Rapidly improved my Photoshop skills, illustrating products and materials to a very high level. So I really enjoy that at Kiska. It never gets boring because it's a couple of weeks on one thing, and at times you're working on several things at a time, and you keep switching. You have to be very agile and flexible in your thinking and in your illustrating techniques, and you need to be able to very quickly communicate what you have in mind on paper and on digital tools. So from that point of view, yeah, a great school in my first internship, very intensive. Throughout my time at the Royal College of Art, I had an internship at Toyota ED Square in the south of France, which obviously, I mean, the setting itself is great. Who complains working at the Côte d'Azur? And it's a great team. The way I've been made part of the team was incredible down there. And for me, it was extremely exciting because it was my first time in a professional automotive design studio, and then just being exposed to full-size clay models, the modeling process, alias process, and just being able to explore and work and live that world that I've been preparing for such a long time. I had a cool project as well. I mean, they had a project prepared for me. They wanted me to do a small vehicle based on the iGo platform for young people, and they wanted it to be a fun project. And the inspiration they've given me was the smart crossblade and also the Volkswagen Buggy. Yeah, so they hired both of those vehicles for me to drive around south of France and just basically drive around the coastline of Nice and Cannes, and interview people and talk to young people and see what they think about those two products, and then use the feedback that I've got and the learning from the interviews to then develop a product for Toyota based on the iGo platform, which was a great project and an incredible summer in France altogether, really.